Milwaukee began its journey in 1924 with the simple idea of crafting the finest power tools around. Today, they're doing so well that they're pouring over $200 million into their research hubs. In 2022, the Milwaukee Tools brand ranked among the top 20 fastest growing brands in the US. It's no shocker, considering they can transform even a tool display into a captivating spectacle. Take the big red Milwaukee Truck Tour, for instance, which hit the road again this year. It's a traveling show featuring a truck loaded with all sorts of tools, from drills and saws to lighting equipment. You name it, they've got it. Fancy trying out that screwdriver? Go ahead. You'll even get tips from Milwaukee's pros. Welcome to Right Track Systems, your go-to place for top-notch rubber tracks designed for off-road tasks. Did you know that tracked equipment can boost your off-road performance by up to 700% and extends the life of your original tires? Plus, they're a game-changer in mud, snow, and other tough conditions. On top of that, you can install these tracks in just an hour and remove them in mere minutes. They're built to be 5 times stronger than regular truck tires, and they safeguard your sidewalls too. The secret lies in the use of special rubber that makes these tracks 100% repairable. And if you need something tailored to your specific equipment, no worries. Right Track Systems is happy to do custom work for a wide range of machinery, from bobcat loaders to powerful 3-axle semi-trailers. Breaking barriers with innovation and creativity. That's how the Heavy Wash Intro Wash is promoted by its makers. It's the first ever automatic machine designed to clean the insides of refrigerated trailers and shipping containers. Plus, it received an international patent. This machine eliminates dirt, wipes out bacteria, and works so quickly that it can clean a 16-meter-long reefer in just 3 to 6 minutes, depending on the cleaning program. The secret to its speed lies in its powerful pumps with 12 nozzles, 70 bar pressure, and the ability to pump 125 liters of water every minute. And thanks to its advanced control system, you can mix several cleaning chemicals at once for an even better clean. The Holmes DTU is a detachable unit that allows you to use your truck for both towing and pulling trailers. This updated version has undergone some major changes. For instance, the Holmes DTU now loads the front axle more efficiently and distributes the weight more intelligently by adjusting the center of gravity. The boom has a maximum load capacity of 15,876 kilograms. As for towing, it can handle a load of up to 36,287 kilograms. The standard equipment includes a planetary winch with a pulling force of 9,000 kilograms and a 53-meter-long, 14mm diameter steel cable. However, only one question remains unanswered. Why isn't there a Watson model in the catalogue? MAN is a company with a history of embracing modern technology, and they even helped develop the Ariane space launch vehicle. And of course, they haven't forgotten about their truck drivers. The combination of front detection and EBA Plus helps drivers react more flexibly to road hazards. Front detection uses cameras and radars to monitor the situation and warn of potentially dangerous situations. It's especially useful when moving off with pedestrians and cyclists nearby. If the driver doesn't react in time, EBA Plus activates emergency braking and an emergency brake light. This combo's a real lifesaver in dense city traffic with lots of cyclists and pedestrians crossing the road unexpectedly. typical truck tank holds around 500 litres of fuel. This allows drivers to get from point A to point B, but for thieves, this is like liquid gold. Last year, a gallon of diesel at US gas stations cost about $4.50, so it's a good idea to make sure that money isn't going to waste, right? That's why the iCap system was created. Its main feature is special gas tank caps that trigger an alarm if a thief tries to open them. The GPS tracking option is also great for fleets, allowing you to see exactly which truck the thief is trying to drain fuel from. Plus, iCap keeps a history of tank openings and closings. Flow Below Aero Inc. is also working on fuel-related innovations that are already being used in many US vehicle fleets, saving their owners a significant amount of money each year. The company's specialists use elements developed with aerospace technology to greatly improve aerodynamics. With just these wheel covers alone, a typical truck can save 10 litres of fuel for every 1,609 kilometers traveled. The creators are so confident in their solutions that they aim to reach 1.8 billion litre savings by 2030. It's an impressive goal, so let's not interrupt their progress. The team at Aerior Technologies humbly claims to be the global leader in tyre inspections. They found that roughly half of all trucks have a lower tyre pressure than recommended. Why is this important? Proper tyre inflation can reduce fuel consumption by 2%, which translates to thousands of dollars in annual savings. To monitor tyre pressure, Aerior Technologies engineers created the Halo system. The Connect i3 version supports Bluetooth, RF, CAN, GPS, and LTE for two-way communication, and it not only tells the driver the pressure in each tyre, but also the temperature and any suspicious vibrations. The sensors are built into the inflation device, which triggers automatically. With the Halo Connect i3 system, tyre-related malfunctions are reduced by 70%, and CO2 emissions are cut by approximately 3 tons per truck annually. The MRL Rumble Pro is a specialized tool designed for roadwork. It's perfect for continuous or patterned cutting of asphalt, which is often needed for tasks like renewing pavement markings, laying cables, or fixing defects. In just one pass, the MRL Rumble Pro can process a 41cm wide strip. The main component is the drum, which may not look big, but weighs almost 5 tons. To keep it cool, the creators had to add a tank that holds 1,892 litres of water. Despite its size, operating a truck with the MRL Rumble Pro is so simple that one person can handle it. Plus, it comes with a rear-view camera system to make the job even easier. In 2021, a whopping 110 million tons of hay were produced all over the world. You might think it's just dried grass, but it actually generates tens of billions of dollars in revenue. Naturally, many farmers are keenly interested in innovations related to hay and straw. Enter Stinger Inc.'s Stacker 8500, the world's first commercial stacker made specifically for extra dense square bales. Powered by a 460 horsepower engine, it can reach speeds of up to 88.5 km per hour when necessary. It also comes with cruise control, air conditioning, and heating systems for driver comfort in any weather. The cargo platform can hold up to 14 bales, and it's possible to transport them at a speed of 120 pieces per hour. The creators of the SZS 300BL Ultra semi-trailer also share a similar mindset. This trailer is perfect for transporting both square and round bales. It measures 13 by 2.5 meters, so it can easily be driven on public roads. One of the trailer's most useful features is its sidewalls. One of them is a regular curtain that hides a classic safety frame underneath. The other one has built-in straps, making it flexible. Plus, it can be moved up and down thanks to the hydraulic drive. The team at Global Air Cylinder Wheels, or GACW, has come up with a game-changing invention. They've reinvented the wheel. Sure, it sounds cliché, but this time it's truly useful, especially for mining equipment. So what did GACW engineers create? A steel wheel with built-in air suspension. Not only is this a smart solution, but it's also very cost-effective. Typical OTR tires for dump trucks can cost tens of thousands of dollars each and may only last 6 months. In contrast, GACW wheels last as long as the dump truck itself, are considered the safest in the industry, and are fully recyclable. Combine 20-plus years of trailer design experience with the hands-on knowledge of a semi-trailer business owner, and you get Kboom. It works without noise and smoke, and with benefits for truckers. Kboom is a line of trailers that lets you tow a second truck while also hauling a car. It is a luxury item, especially in the US market, where about 68% of all goods are delivered by semi-trailers. The Kboom hydraulics can be controlled remotely, and it comes with ramps for convenience. Plus, it's compatible with 3-axle tractors. A lot of truckers wish that they could have a hammock in their cab. 9 out of 10 people who heard this just shrugged and went back to watching cat videos. But the 10th person, Stephen Saunders, decided to start his own company and sell his hammocks to everyone. The truck snoozer model costs $63.50 and has sold over 900 units worldwide. It measures 244 by 71 centimeters, fitting almost any tractor cab, and can hold up to 181 kilograms. No more sleeping on seats or curling up with your feet on the dashboard. Saunders also offers the Kid Snoozer hammock that can be installed in passenger cars and is perfect for kids up to age 11. You've probably seen it before: sand, gravel, or garbage falling out of the back of a truck, leaving someone to clean up the mess. Pedestrians nearby aren't happy about it, and if the debris is large, it can be dangerous for drivers too. To prevent these issues, Harsh has created the Flip and Go sheeting system. It's also suitable for tipping trailers and can effectively hold even loose loads. The drive is either manual or electric, and the trailer length limit is 12 meters. The sheeting's made of polyester mesh, which is resistant to fading and doesn't absorb water. SAF Holland is a top global manufacturer of chassis assemblies and parts for trailers, trucks, and buses, so they have to perform at a very high level. Their engineers have succeeded with the CBX Aero Beam suspension range, which includes the lightest pneumatic models in the industry. The most powerful model can handle 13.6 tons. One of the line's best features is the patented Swing Align TM system, which allows for quick axle adjustments without disassembling or replacing any parts. The suspension also has a sleek design. To show the difference, SAF Holland compared mechanical and air suspensions, explaining their specifics. So, you can thank them for keeping your favorite chips from turning into crumbs on the way from the store. The Dutch company Veldhuizen specializes in cargo platforms, enhancing tractors, and equipment rental, among other useful things. However, they faced a challenge with German legal restrictions, which banned the operation of 8x4 chassis with a total weight exceeding 32 tons. But Veldhuizen's engineers found a solution. They created a truck that looks like a typical 5-axle model at first glance, but is actually a hybrid. The frame has a semi-trailer attached, which resembles and matches the strength of a regular chassis. These vehicles are officially semi-trailers, allowing for a total weight limit of 40 tons. The DHLM is a tail lift used to lift and lower loads. The DHLM 10 can handle loads of up to a ton, while the more advanced DHLM 20 can manage 2 tons. Both models automatically lower to ground level and feature 4 hydraulic cylinders, 2 lifting cylinders and 2 rotaries. Customers can choose between aluminium and steel platforms. Aluminium is lighter, while steel is stronger. The width also varies, with a maximum of 255 centimeters for both models. The DHLM 10 has a less width of 125 centimeters. Starting a business in a trailer? Sure, why not? BBM Food Trucks creates custom models for sandwich bars, pizzerias, ice cream shops, and more. Each trailer can be completely unique, from its design to its equipment. But if you prefer, there are also ready-to-go options that just need products and a friendly salesperson. For instance, a fish store trailer comes with a cooled counter, a freezer, and everything else you need. Depending on your vehicle, you can choose a smaller, more compact, hard-sided trailer, or a larger, more spacious model. The fish store trailer, for example, is about 7.5 by 2.5 meters. If you're a fan of road-themed topics, you might recognize the mechanism on the screen. It's the Robson Drive system. It's used to enhance roadability with no gimmicks, just solid hardware knowledge. The drive axle spins a small drum, which then spins the wheels of the non-drive axle. Thanks to its simplicity and convenience, the Robson Drive is popular not only among DIYers, but also in production trucks. Volvo offers it as an option, while Scania and DAF use third-party expansion kits. However, the Finnish company Sisu took it a step further by installing the Robson Drive as a standard feature.